Hey guys, welcome back to the Fashion Fix Show. I'm your host, Moxie D. If episode 1 introduced the standard, episode 2 is where we start correcting the habits. Because let me be honest, it's not the clothes, but it is how you're wearing them. And that's where we are going to fix today. So let's start with the MD breakdown. All right, guys, so this is the MD breakdown. And I really want to talk about some things I've been seeing consistently, and we're not bringing it to 2026, okay? And the two styling mistakes I see is wrapping something around your waist, meaning not a belt or a corset or anything like that, but there's a lot of people I do see with like jackets, flannels wrapped around their waist. This is not 2014, 2015, or even the early 90s. We need to become confident in our bodies that we have. And the next thing that I want to talk about, the jacket draping. I get it sometimes when you're coming from a dramatic standpoint, but then I don't get it because you're really just making yourself look a lot more frumpy at the top. And it doesn't help, ladies, if you have broad shoulders and then you want to throw that jacket on top. Does not help. Doesn't help, ladies, if you have thick old thighs and a nice backside and you want to wrap a jacket around your waist. What are we doing in these gyms, working out, sweating, eating right, if we're not going to showcase the body? This is all coming into proportion playing. This is what I mean, like, the clothes are there and it looks good, but it's like Coco Chanel says, take off one piece before you walk out that door. Rethink, is this jacket the statement, or am I trying to hide myself? These are the things that I've been seeing consistently on everyday people. Like, celebrities are not going to dress like this. This is for everyday consumers. The people I see at games, the people I see at the clubs, the bars. You know, like, why are you hiding yourself? Stand up strong. Showcase your aura. Showcase your confidence. Because when you add on these extra pieces, these extra layers, you're hiding yourself and we can't see you. And we're already judging you because of how your outfit is making you look. Proportions is key, guys. Proportions is key. If you want and you feel way subconscious, do a thick belt. What's wrong with pulling out that mob wife aesthetic? It was very hot a few minutes ago, but like, think about it. If you have a natural pear shape, right? Big old booty, thick thighs, skinny waist, you know? If you have, or hourglass shape, I say pear because 9 times out of 10, like, a lot of women are pear shaped, right? So nice booty, nice thighs, but small waist and small chest, right? A nice waist belt or a corset can give you that cinchness that you're looking to try to create that hourglass shape on yourself. And that's one quick, easy fix. Remove the jacket or the flannel from around your waist. Get you a cute belt, or do like this new trend where you do the layered belts. Because I believe that's going to translate into 2026 in just a different way. Like, you guys, I want y'all to know something. Styling is about adapting the things that you learned throughout the years and then taking it and applying it and making it something unique and different for the next years to come. The reason why people become so fashion forward and things like that, I know it's taking a turn, but I have to say this. The reason why people are so fashion forward when it comes to styling themselves and you love how that person looks has nothing to do with if they're trendy, if they're wearing the hottest and greatest, because a lot of times stylists or fashion forward people go to thrift stores, buy vintage. They're not on the trend wave. Those are consumers that are on the trend wave and always buying when there's a sale. And no, we're not consumers no more. We're connoisseurs. So this is a key thing of learning. Once you know your body type, you start learning the pieces and the silhouettes that fit that body type the best. And that's how you succeed. Great style. You can have great pieces and still look very unfinished. And here's why. 1, the clothes you're wearing you, meaning they're oversized and nothing's proportionate and nothing's grounded, okay? That's number 1. 2, the proportions aren't balanced. You have a dramatic top and nothing grounding the bottom, okay? That's number 2. 3, the accessories are either doing too much or not enough. And that's a problem too. Because you gotta be right there in that happy, sweet spot, okay? And I want y'all to know this. Style isn't about piling things on. It's about placement and knowing when to stop. You could be a maximalist and over, and it still look a hot mess. And you're not conveying what you think you want to convey. Typically, people who have great style knows what they like and won't drip again, will not overly consume. They're going to literally know what they like, stick within those guidelines, and stand firm on their boundaries of what they like. Again, confidence in another form. Because guys, this is why basic people look so expensive, and why somebody who has expensive pieces on look very tasteless. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is not about consuming so much high-end pieces and thinking, you know what I'm saying, you have great style. No, you just have great money and you can spend a little bit more. But if you don't know how to wear the pieces that you're buying, you're just spending a lot of money. Like I said, my best outfits legit were from thrift stores or small indie brands. You know, again, it's about knowing how to piece the things together and not wearing things because it says I have money. Some of your favorite artists and some of your favorite like celebrities, you love their style outside of them dressing for you to see them. Think about it like that. So keep that in mind next time you want to go in your closet and you want to put something on. So now guys, let's move into closet therapy. This is where I'm kind of going to tell you the stuff you don't really want to hear, but you need to hear. Most closets are built around comfort, not confidence. Let me say that again. Most closets are built around comfort and not confidence. And that's a problem. But we're going to fix that today. You got to think about it like this, guys. You guys keep things in your closet that's going to make you feel safe, going to make you feel warm, and going to make you hide in totality. When you walk into your closet and you put something on and you piece your outfit together, it should make you feel a little uncomfortable. That's how you know you're standing in your power. Power sometimes doesn't translate as comfort. Sometimes it does translate as uncomfortableness. And that's how you know you are standing true, confident in who you are. Because it takes a confident person to wear some really wild and outlandish things. Think about it like this. Ocho Cinco, OBJ, if I had to say Adam Sandler, those three gentlemen alone have had very bold, unique styles. Ocho Cinco, especially when he played in the league, his style was very bold, out there, just like how he played. OBJ, he has a little bit of a style and fashion sense to himself, so we see it through the content that he pushes out, the commercials, and just overall his whole brand identity. You can see his style translate in that. Adam Sandler, he plays a lot of serious roles, funny roles, comedy, and to be real with you, if Adam Sandler wasn't a megastar like he is, how he dresses, and everybody makes fun of it, but I think it's like bomb, because I could take jokes from a guy like that. Does that make sense? Like, he's a comedian. He's naturally a comedian because you can tell through his dress that he don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? He doesn't care. Everyday personal style is really a reflection of who you are in the inside. And in your closet, that is you looking at your mental. This is why I say when people wear black, I can tell you're depressed and you're hiding yourself. Yeah, black looks good on everybody. It makes them slim and all those things. But in reality, you're hiding yourself and you're shrinking yourself to not be seen. Because when you wear colors make people look at you. Colors send out a vibration frequency that you can't see, that people can intercept and be like, oh my goodness. Like, oh, she was just so darling and dazzling. What color was she wearing? That woman could have been wearing red, pink, yellow, you know, orange, magenta, fuchsia, something bright, bold, but still like fluorescent like a flower, if you will. You know what I mean? Think about all the beautiful flowers that men buy you. They're either red, pink, yellow, like bold colors. So that all, again, turns into who you are as a person. Your insides, your aura actually showing. So when you look at your closet, that's your aura. So if you don't have that much color, you're kind of bland, and you wonder why people don't take you as this fun, outgoing person, because you're not showing that within your wardrobe. When you walk into a room, the first thing people see is your outfit. And this is something I tell my clients all the time. Like, the first thing people see is you before you say who you are, what you're doing, or how much money you have, or any of those things. They see you. And when you walk into any room, are you showcasing the you that needs to be seen? Yes, no, only you know the truth in that question I'm asking you guys. Comment below and let me know. Is your closet a great reflection of who you are? Or no, we need to start tapping in and seeing how can we fix some things? How can we translate how we really are feeling. It's nothing wrong with having those sweatpants that you like, oh, so comfortable, and they look good on you and stuff like that, and they make you feel good, you know, especially for ladies when it's that time of the month, or men when you've had a hard workout week. I get that, but that shouldn't be your whole closet. Comfort isn't bad, you guys, and I do want you to understand that comfort isn't bad, but, and I do have to put this but comfort becomes your default. That's bad. Comfort should never be your default. We should always be pushing ourselves to feel very uncomfortable, and our clothes should be the anchor of that. In the midst of us going through closet therapy, I want you to ask yourself, is my closet a reflection of the woman I am today, or the woman I'm hiding as? Comment, let me know, because this is how I'm going to be able to gauge future episodes to help you guys out too. I want you to keep in mind, the closet is a reflection of the, if you can answer that and it says like, yeah, no, then it's a reflection of the woman you don't want to be, so, or the man you don't want to be. So let's make that the reflection of the person you want to be. Okay? All right, guys, so episode 2 was about unlearning old habits. It has nothing to do with the clothes. Next week, we're going to start being a little bit more intentional. Welcome to the work. Welcome to the Fashion Fix Show. I'll see you next week. Bye.